Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Following that, just click on Text Correction, scroll down and select this switcher next to autocorrection. This way, you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!